Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to talk to My AI on Snapchat. So if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any of the social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So My AI Chatbot is a new feature on Snapchat, which they have made available to all the users on Snapchat. This was only available on Snapchat Plus, but now they've made the decision to make it available to all. Currently, it is slowly being rolled out to everyone, so you may or may not see this option in your Snapchat. For myself, when I open up Snapchat, go to Chat, I'm not able to see My AI option, hence I'm using this screenshot for reference. So if you do see My AI Chatbot in your chat window here for Snapchat, you'll be able to talk to My AI. It's very simple and very easy to do. So to talk to My AI Chatbot on Snapchat, you want to go ahead and open up Snapchat. Next, you want to tap on your chat window here at the bottom. Once you come to this page, you should see My AI Chatbot right here, like this screenshot here. Now to chat to it, just tap on it like a normal contact and then start writing your question to it. So you can ask any question you like. It's like talking to a normal human being. So there you go. That is how to talk to My AI on Snapchat. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.